How sweet it is to earn money just by using your favorite social media platforms with the likes of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. You probably scroll through your Facebook feed every now and then just to keep yourself occupied and entertained. You may not realize it, but you're probably doing it way more often than you can imagine. Whether you're just lying down in your bed after a long day at work or you're stuck in a queue for grocery lines, you're most likely on your phone, opening Facebook, just scrolling and scrolling. What if I tell you that you can actually earn fat stacks of cash from using Facebook? And the best thing about this is that you're now going to learn all about how to pull everything off because I'm going to teach you right here in the video for today.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
How much exactly can you earn with this method? Well, to give you a little idea, you can earn as much as $800 every day, and you can even go up and beyond if you do it right in your own way. How cool is that? With a money-making method as amazing as this one, you begin to wonder, what's the catch? How much do you have to pay to sign up? The answer is pretty simple. You don't need a dime for investment and payments of any kind. It's 100% free. What's more is that you can access this method and make money no matter where you are in the world, and you can utilize any device that you have with you. There's no limit to what you can use since it's available in every device that you have, such as your laptop or your phone. Based on just that alone, you can immediately say that this method is spectacular. And also, since your task is simply just do some copying and pasting, there's no need for any technical skills and whatsoever, as a complete beginner like you and me can freely make use of this method. Remember, $800 is the total sum of how much you're going to earn. So what do you say? You want to get in on this method? Just make sure to watch this video all the way until the end so that you won't miss a single detail about this method in order to make money and consider this a success. We all use Facebook, right? So I'm sure you're so excited for me to uncover this method so that you can try this out as soon as possible. Without further ado, let me now show you the first website that you have to master before proceeding to Facebook. The first app is called Superpay.me. Right off the bat, you can see that Superpay.me is a platform where you can make money online with the fastest paying survey site. You can cash out instantly from as little as $1 using PayPal, Skrill, and gift cards. You can begin your journey with Superpay right here, right now, and witness the wonder in Superpay. Their members have cashed out for a total of almost a whopping $5 million from all of their users worldwide. That is surely no joke. That's certainly a huge amount. Now look at this. They take pride in these 4 salient features that they offer to all of their members. Number 1, you can make extra money online by completing quick surveys, offers, trials, games, videos, and more. We work with top legitimate survey companies to bring you the best surveys. Number 2, fast payments. Get paid the same day thanks to the platform's 8-hour payment promise. You can cash out via PayPal for as little as $1. Alternatively, you can also use one of their e-gift card payment options. They even grant you the privilege to get 24/7 support to help make sure that you get paid on time. Number 3, top benefits. It's free to join and you can receive a sign-up bonus as soon as you set up your account. Simply stay within the comfort of your own home and work in our pacing as you access thousands of new surveys daily. Get this, you can even earn bonus additional money because they offer regular $1,000 cash contests. Lastly, safe and secure. They send thousands of payments daily and will never share your information without your consent. But the main key here with Superpay is their top-notch referral program, where you can get 25% of your referral earnings. Those other aspects of the site are bonus ways on how to earn money, but for this video, I want you to focus on the referral program where you can simply invite other people to try out Superpay using the unique referral link given to you. Given these stunning features offered by Superpay, there's certainly no chance for you to back down from this website and turn your other cheek away from it. In light of that, you can now go ahead and pursue the sign-up process by clicking this green button on the upper right portion of the page that says Join Today. After you've clicked on the green button, you will find yourself being redirected to this page where you can now fill up the application form. Just simply type in basic information about yourself, then register in 30 seconds. Simply input your first and last name, username, password, and email. That's it. You can now gain access to your unique referral link, which we'll be using later.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
The second website that I want to show you is called irazoo.com. irazoo basically follows the same design and format as SuperPay, since it is also a website for surveys and other tasks. Like they say on their main homepage, brands pay for consumer input. Thus, irazoo recruits members like you, and when you do activities at irazoo, you can then earn gift cards and real, actual cash. To give you something to inspire you, they've paid a humongous amount of over $150 million in cash to all the members that are working with irazoo. That's just massive, am I right? And you can become one of the highly satisfied members today, as we are now going to head on to the website's registration process. Before we get right into it though, let me show you how this works. I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and under the heading for Earn Points, you can see Refer Friends. I want you to click on that, and now you will find yourself being taken to here, where you can learn everything that you need to know about irazoo's referral program. Basically, it works exactly the same as the previous website, but to really get to know it deeper, here's what they tell us. Refer your friends to irazoo and they'll earn an extra 500 points just for accepting your invitation. After that, all they have to do is use our site. Once your referral earns their first 1,000 points by completing offers, you'll get a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points, depending on which country you're from. But you should keep in mind that promotional points won't count for this goal. Every referral you invite can earn you this bonus, so be sure to go out and invite all of your friends and family and watch your points soar. As you scroll down, you can even get a tally of how much you can earn, which is basically 500 points per person. Therefore, the more friends you refer, the more money you can make. With that said, you can now go ahead and create your own account by clicking this blue button on the upper right portion of the page that says Join, and it will take you to this page, where you can now comply with the application form. As usual, everything is so easy as you're only asked to fill in your email address, first name, last name, and password. And in a quick blink of an eye, you can now then have your very own irazoo account, all for free. Now that you've learned all about the websites with the generous referral programs, let's now get right into the main course. Your favorite social media app. Facebook. That's right, this is where Facebook comes into play. Facebook is one of the world's most successful and massive platforms where people can connect with each other no matter where they come from across the 7 continents of the planet. With this huge network in Facebook, we are going to take full advantage of that. On the search bar, I want you to type in the words "Make Money Online," and it will lead you to this page where it contains all of the results related to your search keywords. Initially, Facebook presents you with groups associated with online money making, so your task now is to join these groups, as many as you can. After doing so, you can now create magic as you begin to take a step closer to attaining financial freedom. Your next task is to post something on the group where you invite other people to try out this new method in SuperPay and irazoo. Be sure to be friendly, creative, and resourceful so that people will be more inclined to click on your link. Then put a call to action where you tell them to click your unique referral link. And once they click on your link, everything will then come into place. Money for you, for them, and for everybody.
And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.